gonna have fun unboxing my brand new X-T1. And I'll send out props to Vistec Ottawa. So let's see. Typical Fuji box. Actually, I don't know why people talk about the box. It's what's inside that counts. And we've got what? Thank you card from Fuji Canada. Thank you. Manuals and the actual user manual. And the goodies. So one battery, the things to put on the camera strap, and the leather things to protect the camera finish, camera strap, power cord for the battery charger, and the pièce de résistance, which is actually easier this way. So here we've got, I guess this is the little accessory flash that comes with it. I read about it, I'd forgotten about it, because I was much more excited about the body itself, which I have to admit is actually smaller than I expected. So, it's sealed by Fuji, so I'm the first one to open this particular one. And eventually that will happen. And move the box out of the way. We actually have the body itself. So here is my brand new X-T1. Dials, screen, and this isn't it's just the unboxing, not an in-depth review. So I'll leave it at that. But since I was one of the pre-orders, Fuji Canada was kind enough to throw in the X-T1 vertical battery grip, so I'm going to attach that to it. So, let's see. Opening the box. The instruction booklets and papers for the battery grip, and the battery grip itself, which is actually surprisingly large compared to the camera. So it's not sealed, but let's check it out. So there's the battery grip, there's a little protection for the connector, and unlike my Canon battery grip, it doesn't have to have an insert that goes where the battery goes. So it's just connectors, which I'm guessing, if you look at the bottom of the X-T1, there's a little trap door on the protector. There we go. So the battery grip connects right there, which means that once it's all together, so I don't have to open the battery this time around. Line it all up, screw it in. And voila, the X-T1 with the battery grip, which does look a lot larger, which is sort of overall size what I was expecting. Now, I didn't put the battery in the camera body, but I wonder if I can just add it in the grip and if it'll work. So, assuming there's a little bit of charge on the battery itself. There we go. Battery's in the grip. There's nothing on the body, so it might not turn on, but we'll find out. And voila. And we've got camera. So there we go. That's my unboxing of my X-T1. And I might play with this later, I might not. In the meantime, I'm going to finish this. I'm going to put a lens and I'm going to play with it in the store. So here we go. With the 23mm. And voila, the X-T1 with the battery grip and the 23mm, and if you let it go, it's unbalanced and will fall on the hood, so don't do it. Cut.